Yeah, good morning, guys. We're just coming back from the coffee shop. I went to have my own coffee in the morning, so we're coming back. Just had the coffee, so we're just coming back from the coffee shop now, and I want to say something before I go for my gym. So today I'm going to the gym. Not really the gym. I'm going to the park to do some walks. So I'll go to the park. I'm going to do some exercise in the park. The park is so big, so I want something different from all my exercise to make it more exciting for me, because I don't want to get to where I'll just be bored even when I go to the gym. So now I want to take a walk to the park, do some walks around the park, do some play around the park for like 1 hour, and then I'll come back home. But don't worry, guys, I'm going to take you guys along. Okay, let me go up and change. Have you taken some walk today? For today's episode, we are going to take a walk to the park today. So guys, please, like I always say, please guys, you guys should follow me, you guys should share my posts, you guys should like my posts, you guys should comment on my posts. Please, I beg, please. I really appreciate all your support. I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. I appreciate you guys. But anyway, come, let's go have some steps. Let's go for a walk. How did you guys see my gym? How gym wear? Is it okay? This is how it is. And this is my shoe. Don't mind me, I'm being dramatic. Okay, let's go for a walk. See you. This walking thing is not easy. Just to walk, you think it's easy. It's not easy. Go to the park, and it's a very big park. Let me show you guys the park. This is where I'll be walking. Okay, you can see how big the park is. Very big and very quiet. You can see. So I think I'll be walking from this cage, from this post to the other post. So I'll be running from the post to that post. Oh God. guys, it was really worth it. It's worth it. So we did a very long exercise today, and seriously, it was worth every stress. It's worth every stress today. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming in this journey with me. It was good. So let's do buddies. What? Buddies, T. Clock it. Clock it, guys. Clock it.